Today it's a do-it-yourself video for the Gold Strike tie-down brackets for the 2018 plus Goldwing models. So let's do this. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel on Down the Road Productions. We are going to install our Gold Strike Goldwing tie-down brackets. These brackets are made for 2018 plus Goldwing models and they look like a great product. Looking forward to finally getting these on. It just seems like, you know, the closer we get to taking this bike to Florida, the less and less time we have. Thanksgiving's next week and then boom. We are going to get these tie-down brackets on. Hope you enjoy this episode, so let's do this.
12 seconds later.
Okay, we got a 2018 plus Goldwing on its center stand, impatiently waiting for its new Gold Strike tie-down bracket. So here we go. To install the Gold Strike tie-down brackets on your 2018 plus Goldwing, you will need a 12 millimeter wrench, a 10 millimeter wrench, and as you can see I've got both versions here of the 10 millimeter wrench and a 5 millimeter Allen wrench as well. So this will get you going to complete the installation of the Gold Strike tie-down brackets. With all the excitement a video like this brings, we can see my handiwork on the fog lights I installed earlier last year, and you can hold this here and just spin it. Pretty nice set.
A few moments later.
Okay, so we're going to have to take this 12 millimeter bolt off first, right, and also move this pre-installed OEM Honda fog light out of the way. I thought I'd do this first because it's going to be a bit of a tight fit here, right? And this looks like it'll come my left, your right. Hilarious. I wonder how many people buy this product and go my left, your right when they open the package. It's got to be pretty darn funny, right, people? But hey, you know, I'm just an average guy. We do the best we can do here. And the interminably long unscrewing time here. So by comparison, if they screw you at work, it goes a lot quicker. Alright, here we go. Come on. Alright, here. Getting fancy here with the angle. Alright, okay, alright, man. So one 12 millimeter bolt out, and what you can see here is this bolt will replace it. You'll see a length difference right here. That's the right one. This is the left one. So the left one is the right one for the side. So you'll see it like this, right? Eventually when it's put on. So I just now have to work on getting this fog light here to move forward. And I bet that's why I have this 10 millimeter. It's gonna come. I think I said in an earlier video you have to have patience when working on a Goldwing, and this is just proof of that. Did it give me enough clearance there? Get this off here too. So more of this is going to come off than I desire. 5 millimeter as well. This saves me a trip to my toolbox if it is. No. Alright, hold on people.
Few inches later.
Hey, did you go for a walk with mommy? Oh boy. Oh man. Hey, listen, now this repair is going to get even better for the viewers. That's right. We need security here to trounce our work area, right? Oh, look at this. Oh, well, hey guys, welcome to Repair on Down the Road Productions. Oh, look at that. Piper, you're here to just keep everything all together, aren't you? Yeah, that's right. Piper, come here. Come here. Oh, okay, all right. All right, so here's a good view of everything back together. This is the left side done. Pretty cool stuff. And I think I'm gonna wipe this down here. It's dirty. I know it'll get dirty again, but I think underneath here, I need to wipe down a little bit.
12 seconds later.
I used some Griot and wiped it down through here. And here is the left side complete. I think it came out pretty nice. One thing though, this longer bolt I did not use because I didn't want to force it in here and strip threads. I was concerned, but this looks pretty solid with what it is, and I'm not worried about it, right? The length difference was not very much between the two. Gold Strike tie-down brackets do not work if you have the Rivco fog lights installed. For me, I've got the Hondas that I got for last Christmas from Teresa. She's a wonderful woman. I like these. Give it that stock OEM look. As I've always said, it takes patience to work on a Goldwing. Okay, this gives you a view of the left side before we put these two bolts back in, these 5mm bolts. So I expect the other side, the right side, to go pretty much the same way. Alright, here we go, screwing these in. Never stress out about taking these plastic covers off. Just these two bolts and you're in business, right? Screw this one down. This angle is hard for me because of the surgery I had on my right arm. It's never been the same post-surgery. Whether it's bad cramps or I have to shake my arm off. But it was either surgery for me or not being able to screw a lid off a can, literally. Or play guitar the way I wanted to, or write the way I wanted to. So there you go, and gonna do that right there. And I'm not OCD, but I work hard for this stuff. All right, left side officially done. Ta-da! Okay, here's a good view of what it looks like post-installation. So you can see how the rock strap will go through here to tie the bike down. So I'm excited. So I know there's a recommendation out there on another Goldwing channel that you can strap over the seat on a Goldwing when you have it in a trailer. I'm not going to do that. I'll tell you why. Don't care so much about this or this, but I just know as your strap comes over here, even if you use towels and rags between the paint and the straps, and then you tighten up the strap, all that vibration from the highway, you're going to rub paint off right here. So I think it's a bad bit of advice to give riders, is to strap over the seat. And why you need to do it just right here, or maybe through the tire, I don't know, but never over the seat here. I wouldn't recommend it. You know, you might think you're safe with the strap and a shop rag or two or something between the strap and the paint, but I'm telling you, that vibration on the highway is going to rub away the paint, and it's got nothing to do with poor quality paint on the Goldwing. Day 2. Yeah, I was actually sick yesterday making this Gold Strike install video for their tie-down bracket. So those longer bolts, I didn't want to force them and strip thread, so I used the same bolt that was already in there. That went in just fine. So I can't say, I don't know. I don't have a lot of time to jerk around with it. Florida's getting really close, and I still think it's a great product. When you're installing these things, like I said in the video, make sure that you have some patience when you do it. I spared everyone the right side, my left, your right. It's the same deal. And thank you for subscribing. Thank you for liking our videos. It was good to have you here. Keep burning down the road. Until next time, salute.